Hello and welcome to QuickTipsTo. Today I'm going to unbox, test and review the Checkme BP2 Rechargeable Blood Pressure Monitor with ECG. Hopefully my video will give you the information you need about this product. Inside the box you have the blood pressure machine, the USB to USB-C cable, a quick guide, the user manual and the warranty card. Now let's have a look at the blood pressure machine. As you can see, it's small, making it portable. On the front, you have a screen to display your stats. You also have an orange Start-Stop button used to start monitoring your blood pressure. Next to it, you have a white button used to monitor your ECG or display your historical data. On the side, you have a USB-C port to charge the built-in battery. Finally, it has a wide-range cuff to fit different sizes. Now let's power it on to explore its features. To power it on, short press on the Start button. The screen will first display the time and date. After 2 seconds, it will give you 3 options. Start a blood pressure measurement, start ECG measurement, or display your historical data. To display your historical data, press and hold the white button for 2 seconds. As you can see, I am currently displaying my previous ECG measurement. Press the white button again to display other historical readings. This is my previous blood pressure measurement. You can also pair this machine with the ViHealth app on your phone. This will allow you to display on your phone your historical data as well as your live data. As you can see, under the History tab, I can now display the weekly or the monthly history of my blood pressure readings. I can also see the history of my ECG readings. To learn how to pair your BP2 machine with the ViHealth app, watch the video that will appear on the card above. Now, to start a blood pressure reading, tap on Dashboard on the app and wear the device according to the picture. Make sure you are relaxed, feet flat on the floor. Place your arm on a table, ensuring the cuff is level with your heart. Now press on the Stop Start button and the measurement will start. Once measurement is complete, the data on the machine will be uploaded to the app. Now, to start an ECG measurement, tap on ECG on the app and touch the electrode as shown in the picture using one of the following methods: chest lead, hand to hand, hand to leg, hand to abdomen. I will choose hand to hand. When you're ready, short press on the white button and the measurement will start. Please note that you don't need to use the app to take measurements, as the machine has a built-in memory, allowing it to store 50 set of blood pressure measurements and 10 ECG measurements, and the data will be automatically uploaded to the app. Overall, this device is a good addition to your home. It's very easy to use and gives accurate readings. The built-in rechargeable battery makes it convenient for daily use. Also, the 1-year warranty gives you a peace of mind. It's important to note that you should always consult your doctor for any medical advice and never rely 100% on technology. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With QuickTipsTo, knowledge has no limits.